remove your hats and direct your attention to the flag at midfield, presented tonight by Madison Blue Streaks Youth Football, and welcome Miss Kaylee Collins for the singing of the Star Spangled Banner.
So proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, oh, the ramparts we watched were so
Ladies and gentlemen, Kaylee